In today's video, we're going to be doing this classic sultry makeup look. It might look complicated, but it's actually more simple than you would think. So if you'd like to see how to get this super sultry eye, then just keep watching. To start off this look, I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier Caviar Eye Stick color in the shade Cocoa. We're going to use this shade as an eyeshadow base and apply it along the upper lash line and then blend it out. Also going to apply a little bit on my lower lash line as well. And the reason we're doing this is because we want to apply some kind of base before we start with the other shadows so that there's something really for it to grip onto and we don't have to do as much work. So I'm going to use my ring finger to blend all of that out. And if you feel like you need to add a little bit more up on the top and then blend out, totally do so. The more blending you do now, the less you'll have to do later. Now I'm going to take the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette, and I'm going to take the shade He Devil and apply that in my crease, blending upwards. What we're trying to create is like a gradient effect where the darkest is in the center toward like my actual eye, and then as it goes out, it's diffused. And as you can see, without too much work, that already blends so seamlessly. On a smaller brush, I'm going to do the same thing on my lower lash line. Then just to make everything blend even better, I'm going to apply that same exact shade all over my lid. It's crazy what literally just one eyeshadow can do when you put that base down. Like, this is one eyeshadow color and this is the base. Looks pretty good to me. Now I'm going to take the shade Ashes and apply that in my outer V. And then I'm going to blend that shade into my crease as well. Also on a smaller brush, taking that same shade and going underneath my lower lash line as well. Then I'm going to take that Laura Mercier Caviar Eye Stick and tightline my eyes. Then I'm going to take the shade Scorch and apply that in my inner corner and on my lid. Then I'm going to take a little bit of the shade Ember and apply that in my outer V. Now it's time to apply our liner. I'm going to be using the Magnetic Liquid Liner in the shade Black today. While the liner is drying, of course, I'm going to apply a little bit of mascara. So in today's video, we're going to be wearing the Flirty Lash, which makes me very excited because this look is, I would say, pretty flirty. Okay, best part, let's put these babies on. And there we go, one Flirty Lash is on. I love these, they're so pretty, so wispy, and I love that you can still see our super sultry eye. Now that our lashes are on, last but not least, of course, we're going to apply a lip. This is the Bare Minerals Pro Lipstick in Cinnamon. So that is it for this super classic, super sultry, sexy eyeshadow look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm in love with this eye. If I wasn't in quarantine right now, I would just go out and show the world, but for now, it'll just be me and this eyeshadow look. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and before you go, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to our channel so you never miss any of our videos. We'll see you in the next one.